I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change.
Every time I go to market, the man sell me soft tomato, how much? Yo, why? Brand new tomato, man. Brand new tomato, man. This soft tomato, man. Touch it. Too much money. Go join my peas and chill my peas. How are you for today? I wonder if they know something to take up on the studio. Worry, so much as when they're hang up. Okay. Sorry for you. Me can't afford fit. Nobody at all. This smell my stew. My stew there. You have to understand that. I know that this stew will turn out the best stew I've ever cooked in my life. Lentil peas, well boiled. Red peas, well boiled, superbly boiled. Garden eggs, ready to cut. Cucumbers, ready to cut. Who that? No! You don't need no variation about this today. This really calm me today. You know, say today I'm special today. Today come like the day off. Hello? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hello? Oh, yes. I'm here chilling. Yes. I'm okay, you know. So I'm just here chilling. It's my stew day. What? Oh, no. You don't have to come over. I didn't say you don't have to come over. No. I didn't say stew day. I said Tuesday. Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. You don't have to come over. I'm okay. It's alright. Okay. No, not today. Today is my day. No. Listen, no, man, it's okay. You don't have to come over today. No, listen. Today is my a kind of a resting day for me. So I will not be here too. Yes, I won't be here. But I'm kind of leaving right now too, you know. Yes, I'm actually putting on my clothes and setting up my things and press can listen with the iron shimmering. Yes, it's okay. You don't have to come over and worry about it. Today's fine, man. Yes, no, that wasn't the plate. That wasn't a plate. No, man, it's okay. Alright. Bless up. Yes, fine. Alright, bless up. Lord God, every time when it's my student, people want to come over where? Oh yeah, there's not no come over nothing. Stay yard, man. Every time. Man, stew, dear. With all my ingredients, them and coaching me, you can't see me with my nice stew. And it's not pepper. Lord God, lasagna. What are you talking about? Today a stew, dear. With this pot, I shall cook stew! My sweet stew. I can just imagine the simmering taste. Do not move an inch. Sweet flour, do not move an inch. Steel, do not move an inch. Eggplant, okra. Do not move an inch. I'm gonna take a shower and come back right to you. I can just imagine. Alright. Time. Everything good?
Yeah, man, just stop and show
But I have to see him, man. There I go and take it easy. You know, say, I cut me the day I go to cut out that place too.
me there just a pass through.
Oh, yeah,
I
pass
smells so sweet.
Oh, in a good man, in a all sweet, in a smell like fire, no?
In a sweet man.
Yeah, man, in a smell like fire sometimes, you know? Fire, but everything good.
Yeah, man, me just a pass through.
Okay.
No, Taj, in a smell like food, man. Food sleep me at all.
No, man. My cousin, I tell her, man, my cousin is just there, man. So you know, say, come from fire and things, so it smell kind of sweet.
In a smell like food, man.
No, man, no, it don't smell like food. No, I feel real, man, me I tell her. But, me I tell her, man, it don't smell like food.
It don't smell like food, man, Taj.
No, man, my cousin was there. He there, so he just gone and so it kind of smell like fire, you understand?
It smell like food, so.
No, man. You know, say, so fire smell. You know when that fire smell?
No, man, there's a different scent. A different scent is that.
Stop walk up and nose in my place, man. And no food, no there.
In a sweet like food, man.
Like that, me I tell you. Paula, auntie.
Me have food.
Paula, me have to leave now, no? So, me no really can't there so too long, Paula.
We are
Me
leaving
have to
from
go
me just
cut.
come.
Paula. My sweet stew. I can just imagine the simmering taste. Yo. Go and hold it out as well. Paula, listen, no food not there. My cousin, we just come here with one box food. The scent kind of still linger around the place. It's lingering. That's why the place smells so sweet. But I have to cut right now. So just go and hold it out as well to come on more use batch and look at it. Just go and hold it out as well. Yeah, I have to get you. Let me add you.
wait, then they pot them and it sounds so strong. Wow. Refreshing.
This man, nothing call me and tell me say I come live with you. Just pop up on me, sir. You know, like when people comment me from the studio, every time them day come in, I come like I'm a day of them day, and I want to eat food and please myself. I'm telling you that today I feel left. I feel left today because I don't go about them.
It smells sweet and cook Irish Spring.
I don't know if you call that tea day. Tea day of all day of the week. Stew day of the company. Stew day.
Taj!
Voila!
Yeah, you know some of weird car. You know some want to go something, and you don't know my style already.
Voila! You can't believe, Voila. You have to have a waste of time, Voila, man. Voila, listen. Voila, you see the situation that I'm going through right now from the looks of it. I'm in critical condition, Voila. I have to leave, Voila.
But I don't know my style already and I want to go something. So I'm going to be waiting.
I'm going through some stress right now. Can't manage, man. Feeling to me under right now, no nice. You know.
Alright then, Taj, you know, say, me go up on a run, so I will come back later and give you a check.
Alright, good idea. By then you will free up, man. Don't worry.
Alright, no problem. Later I call link you.
Alright, love you.
Alright.
You can? Voila. Mission accomplished. Still.
Yeah, one touch.
What are you doing, Charles? What is this?
Roger. Yeah. Yo, me G, what one? One thing, man, today I'm a fan, man. No joke, man. Man, tell you, me just come out 5 roads off the show, man. The sun, hey. Cause you're tough, you know, me G. Yo, I tell us, bro, G, send let me every sun look while, so me can.
No, man.
It smell like stew, like some stew.
No, man, you see the neighbor them over there, so right now, sometimes I tell a Bridget, sometimes he cook food and I tell her, say, I'll try wall, crack them come through. He said,
So hold on, I saw that the chef, the tough stuff with you, nah, man.
Right now, enjoy me there, enjoy me hall, and I enjoy food center. Where you go? No, I enjoy me there, enjoy hall, man. Can't you know, everyone chill out the hall. I enjoy me there, enjoy hall, you know. Yeah, man, where you go?
No, man, the scent, man.
Oh, family.
That's where the center come from. Where center come from, the side? If I neighbor.
Okay, window.
Oh, man, not sure, man, that's what I say, no.
But me, I tell you, anytime them cook food.
But yo, of course, the chef, they tough still, you know, no joke.
If
that the chef, they can cook, and then when they sing, it vaps off it through in the cloud, and chop it through, off it through in the ear, and just chop it through the wall, and chop it all through your window.
So everything good?
Yeah, man, we go, man, you know.
Yeah, me there, man. I tell me there, I go easier. So me there, I enjoy hard little space, but boy, I soon chop out that place too, you know. You know, I go down the road, go collect something. You can't follow me?
Down the road?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go down the road and you can follow me and come back.
Yeah, of course, big man thing, but I don't follow you still, but you know, I go on.
Yeah.
The sun hot, me G. Me can't bother with your pan down right now, you see? So I just go on with that one sleep. Do your thing, man. I want thing, man.
Alright.
Do your thing, man. One thing, man.
Alright, we're so far back, man. Just...
Yeah, man. Chop.
Yo, cuz.
What?
Yeah, man. When you left, you can pull up a door. If me not fall back in time, you know, because we might stay long down there.
Yeah, cuz, man. And now I'm all 3 months off for true, man. You know, I think already, man.
Alright.
So for true, man. True. Yeah, chop. Watch yourself on the road, yeah? Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Outside, so for true. Me no understand a bit. I have to prove it for myself, you know, cause
Lord, one after the other. What me do if you deserve this from my studio? Today is my studio. But damn said licking in my nose. I mean loving damn belly so much. And boy, you see that little window I could hide in? The little glass me see me through and glance me. And see me. It might be build a door so. Lord, you could have saved me when I get to eat my stew in peace. Lord have His mercy. But I'm something I just can't bother with sometimes. Stress me out when time I can't get what I want. In peace. Get what I want. And I think I just... Nothing can belly to me. Boy, what is it?
so that tell me say, in a strongly smell like food, and no food not there.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every street. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic.
Me know say food there. I mean I left till me find it, so for true. You don't believe me? I have find it. I tell you say, you know food, eat the food, jump.
I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic.
What a bombshell. What a bombshell. Stuff it true. I am. Bombshell. What a bombshell. Stew, me not tell you, man. Me smell the okra now, me smell the carrot. Jaja. You know what kind of style that? That tell me say you don't cook, you know? That tell me say you don't cook, dog. Dog, go around here, go around me, no dog. Go around here, like go around me, boy, you don't cook. So my rate to make me left back all 2 floor in the fear, yeah? So go on. I'm not doing that 3. Yeah, lucky man. Tell us that I've done wrong and come to food me in a place of a chocho, yeah? You know why boy I open my restaurant, you know? Every day would I just come in there and be free food. Yo, Touch! You know, so I told them I broke, give me a 1 food now. Chocho. I decide some juice in the fridge, you know. Bombard, blue, favorite color too, you know. Suffy chocho. Yo, yeah, tell you, boy, thanks for open my restaurant, Suffy chocho, you know. Big man thing, Suffy chocho. Well, nice.
Well, I'm not too tired of one place too long. I'm gonna soon leave. You know, wait him out because him just come with him bully style. Now if him soon gone though, because him lazy too, and love people food. I had to.
More I have to pray life. Take a step looking at the mirror. Alright. Yo, touch. My belly full now. What mean, man, just, yo. That is it, Dada. Be dumpling in my belly. And the butt stew, Sophie chew, chew. What a bombshell.
Oh, good that.
What?
Oh,
Where
what now?
Yes. Where is the boy?
What me there? Say me I go pick my uncle. I'm telling my uncle, you know.
Me there, man. What's skinny? You don't see what that?
No, me don't go see him. Don't pay cost nobody. I see him, so me go see the up in the white up in the house.
Jesus, boy, you me there, child. I'm telling skinny, say me like it going on.
Skinny. At the same time, man, I know skinny step on already, man.
So what are going?
Yeah, man.
Everything good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm sure, man.
So what brings play come over now?
But uncle.
Yeah?
No, man. So my food you cook now.
No, we don't cook no food.
Now really, so I'm saying I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry for you, uncle.
No, we don't cook no food. For true, we don't cook no food. You know, say, it's the delivery man. You know, so one just come here, the woman just get one package come give me. You know, say, woman come here with a back plate of box food. You see, same thing with while if you do up in there, food, the woman come here with soaking through the door.
Man, but food sense charm in the house.
And the woman, man, yeah, tell her. She come out with her food, and I tell her, come.
Yeah, tell
Come like a curry.
Uncle, you are them saying, uncle, and you love your food, so?
No, man, for real. I woman that come here. But you are one boy. Me want to take a run go to the shop. So I go run go to the shop and come back. But guess what? You know where you have touches that time, you know, touch in my place. Nobody touch it to the computer, because I have a program and send up an email and I don't want it to come off.
No,
Nobody go in the kitchen to Obama's man.
What?
Nobody go in the kitchen. Just one baby load that's all.
But uncle, you see, uncle.
What?
So the boss or what? You have to not go in the kitchen.
No man, see bathroom, you can't go in the bathroom and say, this no go in the kitchen and you go to the shop and come back. But Obama's just go and sit out there. Just one go sit out there, son of Obama's. Soon come back.
Uncle, man. Uncle, you have to this uncle.
Just stay out there some time, soon come. Soon forward. Soon come back.
Alright, uncle, go on up, uncle.
Got it. It's funny.
Come on, them boy no cook. That him a tell me. I'm gonna go check in this. Stew. Stew day. Stew day. Hey. It's stew day for me. Me? Watch me on him. Yo!
Dear Jesus, me not understand why them people just love me place, love me yard. My yard, want to my yard, so me alone have food. Sometimes when they for really me alone have food. Sometimes I really wonder if I mind yard alone have food. No, son, man, then if you do better, man, then can't cook at the yard, buy gas and this thing there. Me have no family and then thing there. Me can't supply on every day on the life. I think it's every day on the life, but I can't supply on so. Today is my studio too. Today is my studio. Come like they don't respect nothing, no type of holiday. No type of holiday for me. I just get tormented. Bamas. No me have to wait for Bamas to come out of my house.
Yo. You know say the what? Nah, tell life, you know. Dog. Boy can't cook choo. That's why boy I hide the food. Cause the food tastes so good. Me? Me? Put me banana night long thing.
Please hurry up and just get boring at my place and left. Yo, belly.
No, sir. Uncle Taj. That's good. So long, Uncle Taj, if you come from the shop. Boy, Uncle, you come back yet. Until me know, you know. Hide the pot, find the food. So hot now, I'm very full. So now I'm yard. Yo, our uncle put him in the stew. Me I tell you stew.
comfortable on the backside. Me stay at home. Tonight, me stay at home. Just happy. Yeah, thank you. Me go stay and otherwise no one see me. Me stay tonight. Me stay. I leave. Tonight. Make sure myself comes like that, you know? It's a for sure.
It's not want to be. I have a class syrup 3 days and the syrup done. So a little bit of it I drink and she come back here, man. Do you want some for drink or something? Now I'm spending on my body. Now it's all the one I can do. Dad!
Oh dear. Breathe.
Baby, come.
Yeah. What's up?
I want to see you.
You want to see me?
Why is it going out here?
Come here, so go and breeze off, you know?
Come inside now. Come inside. I want to see you.
Yeah, man, but that's so nice tonight, though.
Don't know it's nice. Come here.
No, man.
How was work?
It was okay, you know. Why? Tired, though. I really could use a drink of water.
Come inside, man.
You did, you know. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you.
You're liking us, man, son.
Bye. Oh.
Free.
Oh,
Rosa. No, Sabi. What's the matter?
What are you talking about?
I'm not doing. Somebody man.
Seriously, Dad, stop the foolishness.
Who in the house?
Dad, what are you talking about?
Who there?
Come like your man, yeah, man. Go and sit down on the bed.
What's the matter?
You know what you're talking about?
Anybody in there, me, I find him. Me, I find him. Somebody in the house.
You know you're going like saying no sense. Go and sit down on the bed and talk, man. Sure, because I don't know where you're going so far.
We're making this a smell.
Dad, I don't know what you're talking about. Stop the foolishness. Come! Dad, stop the foolishness now. I must see you wrap them here around now with my shade to kill them. Move it in the house.
If you ever have a man in here,
You did that smoke weed.
chop off.
You did that smoke, Tad. Tad, look for me. You did that smoke.
We're making this a smell. No, sir.
Man, go and do your foolishness.
No, sir.
Guys.
No, sir. Must find the boy. Wait.
Lord God, I want to get me something. Every night we tell Stingy to go on in your yard, you know. Go on in your yard. And it's a lot of things we can't still. All this work too. Yeah, this work.
Somebody in the house.
Come on, babe. Stop it. Go in the house. Just hold it up, man. You're tired.
Maybe there's somebody in the house.
Go in the house. I must see you dumping them. Come lay down on the bed, man. So nice up here.
Somebody in the house, Tasha.
Touch,
Come
come
and
on.
check. Somebody in the house.
Just come lay down, man, and stop your foolishness. What's the day in your house?
We not sleep left it too far. Strong.
You say you're one dad. Nobody can come in your house. See me like how you feet the years.
Somebody looks at that.
I feel look nice for you. See I'm gonna fix up myself and
See, man.
yeah.
Man, things.
Mm.
We don't like how you are. We don't like how you
Just stop the foolishness now.
We don't like how you are.
What that's supposed to mean?
You look good too.
I don't have to look good for you.
So this is for.
So what? I'm hoping.
Oh. Very good man.
You want some tea?
Yeah, girl, if you could guess it.
I don't make some tea for you, man.
Wow. 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 Hello. You know, see, like a beard was this. If you don't come in, come see me, that's me being in the batch.
You want ginger tea or honey?
Onion. Yeah, nah, man. Ginger tea. Okay, you see, you have bad bread. Ginger tea. She marvel. Want someone in this house and teeth there, me.
Yes!
Don't put too much sugar in my tea. Because from what them realize, my sugar kind of up. I kind of carry it down now. Doctor said I brush my teeth more often. Don't put too much sugar in my tea.
Yes!
Breathe. When me a do, ya eat that. Ya eat that something true. Oh, you feel cheap. Ya eat that. Oh, you feel same roll at the back lock. When you are cheap, you know lock back door. Ya eat that something true. You mad? Listen, no, you let go cool. Listen, man. Breathe. Listen, see, me stay up there so him not see me. He come in here, you know. He come in here, he not see me. Go get you, baby. Go on, hurry up and find the key. Hurry up and find the key. What a bombshell, so for true. I can't believe somebody's so fool. Oh, if you cheat and lock the back door have to open. I know say the place grill up. What a bombshell, now, so for true.
Hey, you need to get back on more than green liquid.
How much time me I got tell it that it's Listerine.
And this is good for your blood sugar.
Take the tea, more use the bathroom.
You don't put no sugar in there. Make sure you have high blood sugar.
I thought you needed pants smoke on. Oh, skinny go come out I go so me go do. So me right here. Me right here. Skinny.
Father,
Skinny, fine.
you want to give me a heart attack? Wait, that you want to give me to find the key? Oh, what a bombshell now. Wait. You better find me. Wait, you better, me not ready for that, you know. Me not ready for that.
Take man, woman, movie, tap job asleep on man yard.
But you need to tell me say I come to the...
What me I go do sleep?
What you go do? What me I go do? So, if you sleep up here so you whole night, me can't sleep and fix shot for you all night.
So what you go do? Me have an idea, just don't worry. Me have an idea.
The last idea you give me to run through the back door, it never worked.
Stingy, don't worry yourself. Me have an idea. You have to come on now.
Me not ready for... Wait, me not ready for that yet.
Just don't worry yourself.
Alright. Hurry up, you know. It look like me can't sleep up here, so. Anyway, yeah, make myself comfortable. Cause it better me screen drop up here so that end up in our coffin box.
Let's go on now. So you get up, sir.
No. Be good, man.
You sure?
I hope you know if the dirty pants never watch you, you know.
Come on, ask some more pants, man. No short pants there. You like my muscles? Touch it.
You go on, man.
Touch it, man.
Get ready for sleep.
Touch it.
Come lay down and sleep, man. Eat off.
Yeah, well.
Come lay down and sleep.
Like I see me now prayer from night today. Go on. So, you know one place me no look? Me no look one good place.
Just stop acting like you're mad now.
I'm not acting like my man in here. Me come in here and here smell funky.
So if it smell funky,
Jump some lotion, bro.
come. Yeah, go sleep. Come. Can't you come and sleep, no man?
Never look. I just feel like somebody else did it when me no look. I just feel like you nearly forget me. If I ever
What is mine? God. Happy Thanksgiving. Go on, you know.
you know, something's still not right. Watch your foot. You know that feeling you get when something just not right? You know that feeling then?
You just have think foolishness, man. You gotta get some water to drink. Cause you're dehydrated. Right now, there's nobody watching anything says I'm mad man with the weight. Cause of your foolishness you're doing since night.
You're not dehydrated yet. Oh, I hear nobody relax. Fabulous. This is somebody in there, man. I need someone else to tell me the lineup. It's alright. Oh, son.
I'm gonna be skinny, guys. Skinny. Skinny. Jesus.
Breathe. Look how you drop the water, me do you want the water.
You just a traumatize me. Look how you make me dash you in water. You just can't bother with this foolishness.
Oh, calm down your box.
Raj, what are you doing here, sir? Come on, let's go. Raj, come on, let's go in now.
Yeah. This is when I'm going to relax in front of
Like how you said, look, I see us come, just come in and make me your bed.
No, I guess.
You know, say the movie after me and I stupid. Raj, stop the foolishness. You watch too much of the movie here.
Snake.
You don't say if I didn't know my friend and the video they hear about.
You get into me. You must observe our rules.
Yeah, come bed with you. So you can come when you're ready. Yeah, come or not.
I'm just going to breeze up. So ramp with me.
Are you not coming to bed?
You're going to watch Kung Fu.
No.
You must be in there practicing Kung Fu. See, anyhow you can one man come. See how they style? Book them in the style and be meditation in the style. Watch it. They don't want any name jam. And then go finish your man.
My tiger kung fu is better than yours. Admit it, am I not much better than you?
What, Lim?
Fly, the woman have fly. God damn it, General! And chop him! You bad! And he said, come on, I come watch it. Come tell me what up. Then Virginia can't go on, man.
My tiger kung fu is better than yours. Admit it, am I not much better than you?
Hello. Tell me of this one man.
Eat these two swordsmen first.
Tag very much. Konga yobe.
How was it?
Good man.
See that?
You're bad man, you're bad.
You see when I get that cam? Long time that cam come give it to you. I give it to you good.
Very good.
Yes.
Good man. Good.
Yeah. I might got that. It's a much.
I can't say if you want to say to be us again.
No, you
Bad man, because you have time.
You know something I come in can be. Yeah, the time if you want mama nice like that. You know say us wrap there and put that there once. You know something that's not get you
Why
can.
you go man?
It's much. You know something very happy at you. I'm telling Breathe. Breathe. You don't know what just happened to me. My heart nearly dropped through my foot back down.
Skinny, this is serious.
No.
Yes, oh, in the bedroom.
Me have no other choice. Me see me hear with someone, me no know who we put seven me have to run and me run so through. It's I can do me not know where to run now. You have to breathe. I go in done so quick. Yeah, me know say that. Me know say that.
Come on, before I come back. Come on, Skinny, come on.
My God, as long as I live, I would never get locked up in our next house again. I know me hungry. I want to eat food today. Cha-cha. One big kitchen. So I go in there, so. Yeah, man. Water. Oh. Alright. Food. Food. Yeah.
Come like a piece of stove, this a car. So you can take all free for feel like. That's how boy get born, you know. That's how you get born. If you buy good things, give your woman, brother. If you don't buy good things, give your woman. And spend time in a bed with your woman. Less than a minute. There's no good less than a minute. Everything good. Dead tonight, and thank you for not making me dead hungry. I have to say a word of prayer. Dear God and Heavenly Father, thank you for everything that you have granted me. Thank you for this moment. Not this moment. This moment is terrible, Father God. But please open the door, Father God. May I go check it. Father God, me hungry, Father God. Me can't pray for hungry belly. Thank you. If you don't make me dead hungry.
Why? You ended up on a mission last night. Right, let me go and come back and just miss your woman. I just I've been with us there in Jamaica, man.